Hey everyone and welcome back to the channel. In this video we'll talk about where to find driver's license number. So let's get started. So the driver's license number is a 9-digit number which is used to track your driving history, and it could be found in field 4D on a plastic license or a field 5 on a paper license. So you might be wondering, how many digits is the driving license number? So the format of the driver number includes the first 5 letters of the surname with remaining spaces filled by the digit 9 if necessary. And by the way, the driver number also includes numbers representing the year of birth. Is customer identifier the same as driver license number? And the answer to that is yes. The double D on the license stands for document discriminator, which is used by state agencies to identify a specific document. So yeah, that was the video for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and see you guys in the next one. Cheers.